Hello friends, waiting for a new video? Meet superhero coffee machines. Hulk coffee machine, no comments. Thor's coffee machine, very successful transformation. She is beautiful beyond words. It's a Superman coffee machine. It's immediately clear who owns it. This unit is a work of art. Spider-Man coffee machine. It has the famous spider mark on it. Cool design. Look, it's Batman's coffee machine. It is made in vintage style, especially for a superhero. It is fantastic. It's an Iron Man coffee machine. This is a celebration of technological progress. Awesome design! Who is next? Captain America and his unique coffee machine. She makes amazing coffee. Meet Doctor Strange's coffee machine. Her coffee will cheer up a superhero. Super machine. Ha ha! How do you like the Joker coffee machine? She is unique in every detail. Fire design. Cool Black Panther coffee machine. Is it possible to come up with something better? This is a real masterpiece. Wow! Unusual coffee machine, Wolverina. Could you imagine such a design? It is fantastic! Look, it's Loki and his state-of-the-art coffee machine. It turned out very original, is not it? Friends! Green Goblin coffee machine. It turned out very stylish. Cool design. Ant-Man coffee machine. Not only does it look original, but it also makes coffee magically. Meet! It's just space. Venom coffee machine. You won't see this unit anywhere. She is unique. Who is next? Star-Lord coffee machine. She'll make a superhero morning special. The unique Vision coffee machine. She has a royal design, and the coffee is the best in the Marvel universe. Trendy Optimus Prime coffee machine. Very successful transformation. She is beautiful beyond words. Wow, it's Captain Marvel's coffee machine. You can immediately see who it belongs to. This machine is a work of art. Look, it's Gamora's coffee machine. It is made in vintage style especially for her. It is beautiful. Guess whose unit this is? Clint Barton's unique coffee machine. She makes the best coffee. Who is next? Aquaman coffee machine. This is a celebration of technological progress. Unique design. Meet Nick Fury's coffee machine. This coffee has a special taste. Super machine for a superhero. Ha ha! How do you like the Groot coffee machine? She is unique in every detail. Her design is the bomb. Wow! Cool Deadpool coffee machine. Is it possible to come up with something better? This is a real masterpiece. Thanos coffee machine. It's made in his signature colors of purple and gold. Very cool design. Wow! Unique coffee machine avatar. Could you imagine such a design? She is perfect and unique. Subscribe to our channel. Further, it will be even more interesting. With us only forward.